How to download Pinterest video to your gallery quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can download videos from your Pinterest into your gallery. So let's get started. First, what you're going to do is go ahead and go to google.com and type in this website pinterestvideodownloader.com. This is a website which helps you download videos from Pinterest into your gallery. Then you can go ahead and log into your Pinterest account. Go to the video that you want to download, click on that video. Now that you have selected the video that you want to download, you can go ahead and click. Now that you've selected the video that you want to download, you can go ahead and copy the video link. Now you can paste the video link on our download website. Click on download. Now you can go ahead and click on download video file. Once you click on download video file, it's going to open up the video that you want to download. You can go ahead and click on the three dots. After that, you're going to click on download. Now your video is going to be downloaded into your gallery from your Pinterest account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to Software Made Easy.